Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix can't send pictures from iPhone to Android. So first what you want to do is go to your settings, then click on the Wi-Fi option here, then make sure to restart your Wi-Fi. So first just turn this off and turn it on again and wait for it to connect. Once that's done, just need to go back, scroll down till you see the messages options right here, and scroll down again and make sure that send as SMS is turned on. So just click on this switch right here. Once you're done with that, that should do it. But for some reason that it's still not working, what you need to do now is reset your iPhone, and to do that you just need to click on the volume up button and side button. Wait for this to pop up, then you just need to slide this one to the right and you're good to go. What you need to do now is just turn on your iPhone, and that should basically fix it. That's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.